Hey guys, my name is Real Crypto, and on this channel we talk about the hottest crypto projects and launches. Today we're going to talk about a really bullish, up-and-coming AI project with great utilities, strong partners, strong launchpads, and the best part is I'm doing this video just before the pre-sale, so if you're watching this video, you still have time to do the research, to watch this video of course, and of course to participate in the pre-sale, to buy the tokens of this project, of course for the best price, and when the project launches you have a good opportunity of making profits. But before that, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor, this video is not a financial advice, always do research, and let's check out today's project.
Get money.
Today we are talking about a really bullish AI project called Grafilab. And if you've been following crypto or tech space, of course, everything is all about AI, and AI projects are performing the best. That's why I'm doing more and more videos about AI projects, but it's really hard to find the winners, to pick the winners, and also find these projects just before the launch to still have chance to actually buy them dirt cheap. And I think today I found exactly what I was looking for, because this project, again, has good partners and really great utilities, and of course we can buy it just before the pre-sale for the best price. So as usual, first of all, we're gonna jump into the website, the documents, to check out what is this project all about. Later we're gonna talk about the pre-sale, the token utility, and how can you participate. So let's jump into the main page, and as usual you can find all the links in the description to follow what I'm doing on the screen. So Grafilab, and actually you can see their token is spinning, they have really great UI on the website, and actually I found the best explainer about the project right there in the documents. So Grafilab is a revolutionary AI ecosystem that empowers anyone from ordinary users to developers to participate and benefit from AI innovation. Through our CDPIN Cloud, co-builder, and AI App Store platform, users can easily deploy, train, and monetize AI agents without needing deep technical expertise. And I believe this is the next big move and big boom for the Web3 crypto projects, AI projects. It's these no-code solutions, because of course everyone heard about AI and everyone wants to launch their own project because there's lots of money in it, but not everyone has the tech skills. And of course ecosystems like Grafilab, they give you all the tools, they give you the platform to actually create your own AI projects, deploy them, and of course participate in this economy, and of course make profit. Again, I think this is a really great idea because it empowers users, developers, everyone, and of course the platform also benefit from it. And this is of course the reason why I need to invest early into these platforms before they go big. So at the heart of Grafilab is our AI data layer, which ensures secure data integrity, ownership, and transparency, creating a trusted environment for AI development and commercialization. Pretty hard work. And now let's jump in back to the main page, where we can actually learn more about each of these products in this ecosystem. So let's scroll down. You can also see it right here, but let's scroll down because they go deeper. We also see some of the partners. Again, they have really bullish partners we'll talk about a bit later. So fueling AI evolution with the next generation compute and data, you can actually learn more about how it all works. So GPU bare metal rentals. So they offer on-demand GPU powered servers for compute intensive tasks like AI training, rendering, and simulations built hourly. And of course, it's really important if we're talking about machine learning and AI. Next up, inference API and AI app agents. So streamlined API connects AI apps to LLMs, large language models, and GPU clouds, enhancing deployment, performance, and scalability while enabling AI data utilization and monetization. After that, we have AI data utilization and monetization. And lastly, AI commerce. It's pretty hard word for me to say, so I'll call it commerce. And after that, you can see how it all works. But I think what's really important to understand is the core products of this ecosystem, because of course, the token is going to be at the center of all of these products. And of course, if you plan to invest in the token, you need to know about all the different products, because of course, the better the products, the more users, the more value in the token. So first of all, we have a co-builder. This is going to be all in one space for developers and making AI Renaissance better and easier. By the way, again, if you jump into documents, you can see right here, we have all of the same explainers, how it all works. So for example, you can also see the GRAFI Cloud. So by integrating centralized and decentralized GPU resources, GRAFI Cloud ensures cost-effective and scalable computational power to support compute-intensive tasks from AI training to gaming. You can also see AI App Store. So Grafilab's AI App Store empowers developers by providing a seamless platform to deploy and monetize AI applications and agents. And the last one is AI Data Layer. Again, you can see all the same things right here, Data Layer, AI App Store. So the GRAFI AI Data Layer collects data from sources like CDP in Cloud, Inference API, and AI apps, agents within the GRAFI ecosystem. It validates, labels, and organizes data into swarms, ensuring high-quality input for model fine-tuning. So you can see we have all the information about all of these tools. Of course, if you plan to invest, you can actually dig deeper into the white paper, into the documents, and learn even more. But of course, let's move quick because otherwise this video is going to be 2 hours long. Next up, we have the GRAFI token flywheel, so you can actually see how the token will work. So basically, this is kind of the economy of this project, of the token, and how it actually brings value. But if we're talking about the token, we can actually jump in back to documents, and we have token utility. This is really important. If you plan to invest, you need to invest in utility tokens, because otherwise, if there is no utility, the token will not move because there is no motivation for users to actually buy it. And of course, what's really bullish, this project has a lot of utility for the token, for the holders. So first of all, is going to be the ecosystem currency. So this token serves as the primary currency for all transactions within their ecosystem, including subscriptions to AI models, GPU rentals, and co-builder platform services and fees. Next up, they will also have staking, so basically you can stake their tokens for rewards and security. Number 3 is going to be governance and community participation, so enables token holders to participate in governance. So basically you can vote. The more tokens you hold, the bigger voting power you have, so basically like DAO. But again, this is really great because of course the biggest investors, the biggest holders have a big say in the project and how it goes. I think this is a smart way to go. And number 4 is going to be incentives for contributors. You can see compute mining rewards, AI node rewards, and ecosystem incentives. So plenty of different utilities for this token. Again, really bullish. Next really cool and really important thing about the token is the distribution. So let's jump in there and allocations. So you can see all the different colors. It's not that easy to actually read because the colors are pretty similar. So the colors are pretty hard, but if you scroll down, you can see how it actually goes. So ecosystem fund is 22%, I think pretty fair, and you can see where it is going. Next up, compute mining is 15%. But let's check out the public. So public sale gets 17%, which is a pretty big piece of the tokens. Also, they have no VC, so no private sale and VC tokens, meaning there is no insiders holding the tokens waiting to dump. Again, this is really great for the investors buying in the public sale or buying after the launch, first days. Again, not a financial advice, it's speculation. Everything can happen. But again, so far from what I see, there is no pre-sale, no VCs, so it's again really good. And if you jump into social media, they have almost 50,000 followers. And if you check out who's following this project, it's actually Mario. Mario has 2 million followers, and he's actually from IBC, which is a really big fund. And actually they partnered with this project. Again, this is really bullish because they take it really serious and they do lots of research before actually partnering with all of these projects. And if you scroll on Twitter, you can also see lots of posts about the products, how it all works. So I definitely recommend you to follow their social media, the link's in the description. And what's also really important to know, the public sale is coming really soon. You can see 15 hours ago, they posted the public sale is happening in 3 days. And of course, time passed. And if you scroll down, we have the actual announcement. You can see right here. So GRAFI token public sale is happening February 13th. And also they signed really bullish launchpad partners. So we have Spores, we have Pink Sale, and we have Elixir Launchpad. So basically there's going to be 4 different places you can actually participate in the pre-sale. Maybe they announce more later, but from what I see right now, we have 4. And also if you check the socials, we have lots of different partnerships. You can see Spores, which I just mentioned, Elixir, which I just mentioned. Also, they're compatible with ElizaOs. You can see right here. We are powering ElizaOs with a GRAFI Inference API by fine-tuned DeepSeek R1 model. So developers can seamlessly deploy their AI agents by using ElizaOs framework with our Inference API without any modifications needed. So you can see they're doing lots of good things with other projects, other bigger projects. They also have really strong partnerships with IBC, which is a really big name in crypto, Mario Nafal. They have strong launchpads. The token has lots of utilities. They have no early rounds, so actually there's nobody to dump. And I think so far they're in a really good niche because they're building a powerful product. They're super transparent. You can find all the info on the website. So as usual, guys, links in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram. Link in the description. Subscribe and see you next time.
Get money.